Imagine taking the luxury of a Mercedes-Benz S-Class and putting it on a trail into the deep woods. I'm Ava, and today on Vision Effect TV, we're exploring the refreshed Mercedes-Benz Marco Polo. Mercedes has just given their iconic camper van a massive upgrade, focusing on a more digital interior and refined aesthetics. But the biggest news? Production has moved entirely in-house to Mercedes' own facility in Germany. This is no longer just a van conversion. It is a factory-built masterpiece of nomad luxury. Let's see how Mercedes is redefining the home away from home. The MBUX revolution. Step inside, and you're greeted by the latest MBUX, Mercedes-Benz User Experience, infotainment system. The dashboard now features two 12.3-inch widescreen displays, bringing a high-tech vibe to the wilderness. But for campers, the real black tech is the Mercedes-Benz Advanced Control, or MBAC. This digital interface allows you to control everything, from the leveling of the air suspension to the dimming of the ambient lighting, all from the touchscreen or your smartphone. It's a level of control that makes setting up camp feel like a high-end hotel check-in. 2 levels of comfort. The Marco Polo is famous for its space management, and the refresh maintains its legendary 2 sleeping area setup. On the lower level, the rear seats fold down to create a comfortable double bed. But the real magic happens when the pop-up roof rises. Up top, you'll find a second spacious sleeping area with a high-quality cold foam mattress and point-elastic spring elements. Whether you're traveling as a couple or a family of 4, the Marco Polo offers a split-level sanctuary that ensures everyone wakes up to a perfect view of the sunrise. Gourmet in the wild. No camper is complete without a kitchen, and Mercedes has refined the built-in kitchenette to perfection. It features a 2-burner gas stove, a sink, and a 40-liter compressor cool box. The cabinetry has been updated with premium materials and more intelligent storage solutions for your culinary tools. What's impressive is how Mercedes has managed to keep the interior feel airy and open, despite the full kitchen setup. Combined with the swivel front seats and a foldable table, the cabin quickly transforms into a cozy dining room for 4. German engineering at its best. By bringing production in-house to Germany, Mercedes is ensuring that every Marco Polo meets the exact same quality standards as their luxury sedans. With improved driver assistance systems and the refined AIRMATIC air suspension, it drives as smoothly as it looks. The refreshed Marco Polo isn't just a vehicle, it's a commitment to a life of adventure without compromise. So, would you choose this over a luxury hotel? Let me know in the comments. I'm Ava, and for the latest in premium mobility and nomad tech, keep it locked on Vision Effect TV. Happy camping!